po ang Game 5 ng ating Commissioner's Cup Finals. Etong first quarter, hatid sa atin ang Motolite for express hatid service. Call 370-6686.
Pumuntos para sa Rangers.
First quarter pa nga lang nun, tatlo na kagad foul niya. Pagbalik niya sa second quarter, wala pang 2 minuto, napulot yung ika-4. This time around, the dish is over, papunta.
The game to be called a little bit tighter. So, gusto mo, you have to take it strong to the basket and not really settle for outside shot. Although ito, unang-una na dito.
Three-pointer na yan natin sa atin.
Normally averages around 28 points here in the finals, and that's what Rainer Shine definitely needs.
Deo Campo trying to out-muscle etong si Lee. He glides in to bring them to within.
Shine, he's taking it closer to the basket against a smaller defender. Kaya naman, mas maganda yung nagiging attempts dito sila nila.
Chisholm! Nang-araro na lang sa pagkakataon. It is Ponacher. Nakita ito si Johnson. Ivan step back over Bo. Johnson so far shooting blanks, but nandun si Deo Campo. He's got 4.
Ito, rebounding problem for Rainer Shine early in this game.
Napansin natin ito mula game 4, ano? Different big men taking on Paul Lee, but this time he uses his speed to physicality. How about Chris Chu coming off a career-best 21-point explosion? He gets it over to Lee. Spin move doesn't work, pero nandun si Chisholm for the stick back. He's
Para magkaroon kagad siya ng feel of the game.
Harvey Carey, who was already waiting at the scorer's table, bago pa man matawagan ng flagrant foul, etong si Rosser gets it up for a deep position, pero nakobero naman kagad ni Chisholm. Ponacher to Deo Campo. Lines up along to Roddy Del, catching fire early on. God, para dito kay RDO, 5 minuto pa lang lumilipas sa loob ng Big Dome. Lee for 3, punches it through! Beyond that 3-point line, Chris Chuba namigay ng pick doon.
Forcing that switch. Ito na naman, Offentex switching everything.
Chu for 3, punches it through!
Malaking bagay.
Ating unang yugto, 8 ang abante rito ng Elasto Painters. Belga from 16, rattles that one home.
Really high score.
Deo Campo dribbling away from a double team. He goes all the way cross court to Johnson. Ponacher faking that 3. One dribble pull up. Larry takes care of that one.
Point line, which is not really surprising. They won't change the way they play.
Ponacher, his own version of the 3 is good.
Cut this deficit. Ngayon nga lang, 5 na lang hinahabol nila.
7-2 run ang binitawan dito ng tropa. Chris Chu puts an end to it. Long to lang, but still.
Chance, narinig natin kanina, even Kenyan, kailangan mag-stepping ni Albazan. So many players really have to help out.
Ivan Johnson cleans up that arc. Para sa rebound.
Tsaka nung tumira ng 3 isang player, na-excite yung mga tao eh, no? Yung lumilipad pa lang, yung anticipation kung papasok mo, hindi.
Kevin Louis Alas, the rookie, bago.
You notice a while back, itong si Chisholm gusto niyang post din itong si Ivan Johnson kasi dalawa na nga personal fouls si Johnson.
Oy, knockout play. Harvey Carey gets that basket. Chumetangan ng bola. Chris over to the right side. It is Tang for a 3. Punches it through.
You need a lot of those guys.
Shine up by 2, 29-27. Nice, he joined us back live inside the Big Dome. Aaron Aban with a long 2.
Key attempt for a game in this series, and that's on an average. Napakalaking number yan.
Jervy Cruz gets Rainer.
Going here in the finals with these two teams, talagang paramihan talaga ng
Yes,
attempts, tsaka ng paramihan ng score. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa kanila.
Jason Castro.
Maraming breakdown, maraming balls being trying to break down the defenses. At ito na nga, tira na tira sa labas. Ito nga, medyo handicap na dito ang Rainer Shine.
Washington puts it on the floor. Down the middle. Washington flips it up and in.
Yeah, good recognition on the deep.
Thank you, Sel. Tang thought he was fouled. Castro pushing it hard. Stop and pop 3. Bang!
Every game.
Jason Castro is actually the leading scorer in the finals para dito sa Tropang Dexters. Ibanez over to Jervy against the shot clock. Cruz bails him out.
Yeah, Jervy Cruz. Yan ang talagang favorite shot yung mid-range jumpers.
That's a good, kagaya na sa Mauricio, nanggagaling lahat sa good ball movement and good screen.
Jervy Cruz catches Castro off the switch. Aranya trying to recover. They go to Washington. Here's Larry for a 3. Punches it through. First half. Ivan Johnson scooping it up and in for another 10-point lead para dito sa Tropang Dexters. Look natin yan.
Pero kailangan pag naglalaro ka dyan, sanay ka na sa ganyan.
Oh, Aranya going to the sidestep.
You know,
Chisholm is with Lee. Ibanez, Aranya, and Almazan. Chisholm on the trail. Bang!
And that's the product of this crossover.
De Ocampo goes to that pirouette, but opts to pass it back out. Johnson puts it on the deck, down the gut of the defense, off the glass for two.
You know, when you allow overs for Rainer Shine, pito na. Sa second quarter lang yan. Isa lamang para sa Tropang Dex.
Alas over to De Ocampo. Down the middle, De Ocampo, round robin layup pinakita.
For the most challenging player to defend in that game.
You have a lot of good players in the Philippines.
In this third quarter of action to bring the last two Baders to within 12. Mag-margin po kasama natin Richard Del Rosario and Eric Reyes, kung saan si Harvey Gary pinalik sa 14 ang
They only scored 22 points. And they played a little bit frustrated, especially in that second quarter.
At ngayon, ganun-ganun lang, naging 16 na ang abante ng TNT.
Gal ng Tropang Dex si Paulie off that play.
De Ocampo hesitates, kicks it over. Johnson from deep, punches it through. Hatid pa rin sa atin ang
Lose the best of 3 series, so you have to really start your way back up.
De Ocampo for 3. One more time para kay RDO. Hatid pa rin. Norwood tatanggap over at the right side. Pull-up jumper, Norwood delivers. Trying to go for the exclamation point. Lee will push it the other way. Norwood for 3.
back-to-back baskets there by
Going at ito na ngayon ang Rainer side. They wanting to make a run.
Lee all the way to the cup. Chisholm boards it. Put back is good.
Again, nagpumulayan sa mga baskets sa binigay.
Kentucky stop the bleeding right here, right now. The blur looking to blow by Big Bo. Pull up jumper is good.
Wow, change of pace.
Castro has Chisholm switching over. 6 to shoot, 3-pointer on the way. That's good.
Nothing really much you can do anymore, Richard.
You can do, I mean, outstretched arms naman.
Just challenge.
Challenge. So, pumasok lang talaga.
Di makabawi si Gabe, pero nandun si Chisholm to get 2 points. To take that 3-2 edge in this race to 4. Castro's in trouble, goes to RDO.
Oh, and a hand on his face again.
Much on defense, because if you foul, that's even worse.
Oh, yes.
Balik sa 20 ang abante ng tropa. Lee down the middle, gets that basket. Bonus free throw is coming up.
They need another guy.
Oh, Norwood will steal. Castro giving chase. Gabe takes it strong. Jericho Cruz trailing that play for the putback.
Good real job.
Action TV, Sports5.ph, pati na rin sa Signal Channel 198 in HD. De Ocampo with a pull-up. That's good.
Right now,
Still over a minute remaining in the third. Jericho Cruz in the front court, going to that crossover. Up, under, teardrop, good is good.
He's the guy, Coach Yang, the guy we were in a hurry.
Alas, inaantay yung pick ni Johnson. Chisholm ends up with Kevin. Alas, ginamit yung bilis for the scoop layup.
preview.
Nagmumulayan because everyone's like, pushing and jostling, trying to get good position underneath.
Aranya buries a 3. And it's over to Castro. RDO working against Chu. Chisholm tutulong. Johnson from the outside. Pasok yung tres niya. DDOM Telpat upgrade to a PLDDOM Telpat plan now. Aranya gustong bumawi. Bang! They're gonna need 10 more to catch TNT. De Ocampo from Alas gets the basket. Make a son of a foul. Waiting for some movement. Aranya, he's out, had the hot hand, runs into a brick wall named Ivan Johnson. Somehow, someway, got the layup. Ocampo starting to make his move back over to Castro. Jason blowing by Almazan, gets the basket, at niya pang foul. Ranidel offers the pick. Belga switches over, Chu babalik. RDO with some space, that's all he needed.
You know, he wasn't pili si Jason Castro. Kung sino yung gusto niya mag-screen, he's more comfortable breaking down the defense dito kay Belga.
Chisholm inside, napagapang babasol.
Switch, pero magkakaroon ng double team dito kay Jason Castro, but he gives up the ball.
They look for the mismatch. Ranidel over to Rattlezone. Talk and text with surgical precision, dismantling rain or shine in this fourth.
And that's the reason why they want Ranidel to be screening,
Yes.
because yung magsiscreen, yung mga magsiswitch kay Ranidel is smaller.
Wayne Chisholm though not giving up. Ng Talk and text kontra rain or shine. 4:20 na lang natitira sa Game 5. Lee for 3. His first basket since the first half of this game. Will receive it back from Alas. Johnson pulls the trigger. Pinawi agad!
Grabe, no?
Gets it over to Chu. 8 to shoot para sa mga nakapula. Chu gets it over to Norwood for the long bomb. Game lights it up. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Gusto ko ba? Castro in the lane. Drops it off to Johnson. Big hit by Ivan.
Once
Jason
again.
Castro.
No. Johnson trying to keep it alive. Lee takes it away from RDO. Paul Lee on the run down the middle. Puts it up and in.
Great attack there.
They go to Johnson. Castro down the lane. Kicks it over. Bonacher to Alas. 3 to shoot. Kevin puts it up and in.
Time for the rookie to
Looking for that open man.
Talk and text looking good as Johnson puts down the exclamation point.
Ano kaya, alam mo, ngayon lang makakahinga yung Talk and text. Even in the last minute, rain or shine was still threatening.
Chu, step back 3, no, and Talk and text will be 48 minutes away from the Commissioner's Cup.
Wow, but you know, it's gonna be easier said than done. You know, trying to close out the series. This rain or shine. You know, the way the series has been played, we can expect a mighty comeback from rain or shine. But hats off for Talk and text. Now they have you know, the numbers in their favor.
almost 76% chance, you know, of bagging it in the next game. Pero yun nga lang, of course, you cannot count out rain or shine. They've been down so many times and yet they can still recover.
Ang Talk and text 3-2. Game 6 is Sunday.